This is Coder Singh, and in this tutorial I will be talking about CloudFront. So before talking about CloudFront, I would like to go to Certificate Manager and check if my certificate has been verified or not. As we can see, our certificate has been issued. Now we'll go to CloudFront. So CloudFront is a CDN service by AWS which helps the static website to load faster. So we'll write CloudFront, and we're gonna go to CloudFront and we're gonna create a new distribution over there. So we'll make sure we'll create a web distribution. We're gonna write get started, origin domain name. So it's gonna tell us some Amazon S3 bucket name, but we have to make sure we'll go to our S3, the link which has been provided by the static website console. We'll go to our S3. We'll go to properties. We'll go to static website hosting, and we'll copy this URL. And this we have to paste in our origin domain name. After doing this, we'll have to make sure we have to make sure that we select redirect HTTP to HTTPS. And in C names, alternate domain names, we're gonna write durl.sh. And in the SSL certificate, since we have already made a certificate, we're gonna use custom SSL, and we're gonna go click on durl.sh. So you click for your own website. Now we're gonna do create distribution, and it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Till then, I'll pause the video and I'll resume it when it's done. See, a CDN has been deployed. The status has changed to deployed from in progress. So we'll just drag this one column and we'll get the domain name so that we can call it. So durl.sh, we'll just copy the domain name. We'll open a new tab and paste it over here. So now we're getting a lock with the website which we have hosted on S3. But now we have to link this CDN with our Route 53, in short with our domain name. So we'll go to Route 53. We'll go to durl.sh in hosted zones. And we'll get a create record set. Over here we'll keep it blank. We'll make sure the type is A. Yes, we're gonna provide the alias, and we're gonna provide some CloudFront 1. So the moment I write D, so how did I get the D1? I basically got the D1 from this thing. So I have to write the URL of it. So D1H something. So I'll do create. And after I do create, it will show it in this column, this side. Now I'll go to durl.sh. So it doesn't show me because it's gonna take some time. So let's wait for a couple of hours or maybe a day or two so that it takes effect and we are able to see the website. So till then, I'll just pause the video and I'll continue once my website is live. Again, so our durl.sh domain is working, as we can see. And we are getting the results over here. So if I go to durl.sh/home, we are getting the results. So as we can see in home, I have name, description and ad. So it is working, but it is not saving data anywhere. So if I want to save the data, I need to have an API server, backend server, and a database. So I will be making tutorial on how to create an API services using Lambda functions, and it is free of cost. So 1 million API requests will be free of cost to us. So thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial. Stay tuned for the new tutorials. If you guys have any requests, do let me know. And I do have an Instagram page and a Twitter page where I post tech updates on daily basis. So guys, go and follow those pages. It means a lot to me when you guys follow my pages and react with my YouTube channel. So like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. I hope you liked it.